jump on top of
What? Let me out! Why is Kelvin wearing a tuxedo?
I gave him one and I'm very
Oh.
excited about it.
Okay.
He's looking very snazzy.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
Except his eyes still look a bit awkward, but...
Yeah, and his ears are still bleeding.
Oh god. I feel like Gandalf right now.
Yeah.
When, like Fellowship of the Ring, when they're
Yes,
crossing
exactly.
the map.
Find a tree. Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
Up.
Hang on.
I'm
Hang
going.
on. No! Oh my god.
Oh, that's a rock. Where was the rock? We're going too far to the right.
I'm
Oh
back.
fuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh,
no, no.
shit!
This
Oh
didn't
no,
work.
oh no.
How am I meant to stop this
I'm
shit?
way far now.
Ah!
One eternity later.
Wee! Whoa! Whoa!
Don't go too far down.
Too late. I cannot stop this shit.
Bye!
Did you guys went back to pick
Yeah.
yours up?
We didn't. We were just I don't know. up to shenanigans.
Pretending to be a samurai.
Cream.
Pretending.
I'm sorry if I offended you, good sir. How did that jump work? What the heck?
Parkour.
Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
This should not be a thing. Oh, I can push people. I didn't know that.
Please don't.
Ah. Come here. I got free hacks to give to people.
Nah, thanks. You just stay right over there, why don't you?
Damn it.
It's a very narrow, deep hole.
I was
That's
about
what
to
he
make a joke here, but I'm gonna shut up.
What the fuck? That's not good. No.
Yeah,
What?
that's very ominous.
There's a rabbit with a light shining on it. That's not
Yeah.
okay.
What?
Over here.
I'm mentally preparing myself to go in there. No.
Kick it. Kick it.
No. Oh my god. That's me. After biking for like 30 minutes, I'm just like, no, I give up on life. I got a one of those gymnastic ball things. Ah! What the fuck? Look at the flamingo
there's like-
thingy. We no.
To
Oh.
the left.
What? The fuck?
Over here.
Ew.
Oh,
okay.
One's a male, one's a female. It's kind of sweet.
I
That's what happens when
wanna
sex
know
goes wrong.
that can reproduce.
That is $500 million.
Oh. Oh, that's lovely.
Good thing we befriended her.
Yeah. We get a sugar mummy.
Yo.
Oh god.
With 3 legs and 3 arms.
Ew.
I feel like this in the morning sometimes.
Hitting your head against the wall. Just
Oh,
in
you're just
despair.
banging
No! Another work day. Why would you have a cereal box here?
Just in case you get hungry while you're in surgery.
Yeah, the munchies. Stop wiggling.
What? He just opened his legs.
Who's this guy?
I've got no idea, but we're going to explode.
Nope.
What?
Eh?
Huh?
So is this like a city for like rich people?
Oh my god, it's Bezos' planet.
Elon Musk's Mars colony.
Is this Endgame?
Obama, is that you?
Oh, you're...
Oh shit!
What?
Found out what happens if you jump into the helicopter blades.
Well, yeah, try not to do that.
Muffin only has like half a body for me. And he's got no
Not even half.
arms.
You just got 4 arms and a head.